Hi, this is Matt from Crooks Cabinet Makers. Right, I'd like to introduce one of my favourite bits of kit ever. I generally call this the Beast. Anybody who's used it calls it also the Beast. The reason for that is it's just got a wonderful cut on it. You can cut up to 4 inches depth and around about 12 inches in width. And this saw would do it through practically any material, any timber material available. It's so accurate. One of the things I found that I've done while I've been taking it on and off the van is I quite often knock the fence out of square. But to be fair, realigning the fence and squaring it up is absolutely a piece of cake. And once it's done, it's good as gold. So this machine is about 12 years old. Still operating and still working very, very well indeed. I expect this machine to have a very long, productive use still. So the actual sliding table itself, as you can see, beautiful and smooth. I haven't even cleaned that yet. I haven't even cleaned it from being on site. So actually it's still running a little bit dirty, but it's dead smooth. So I've taken the actual top half of the fence off, these pieces, and this one. I like this fence set up. It's really, really easy to remove and start cutting miters and stuff like that. So open up, take that off. I've still got the clamp, which I use also. The actual function around the back here, after 12 years, is sometimes a little bit sticky, but if I clean it, it's no problem. So you've got a beautiful 45-degree angle there, really easy, smooth, and so accurate. And following the other way, same again. No problem to get it there, no problem to get it back. Individual points that can lock off. You can lock it off in any old position you like, any degree angle. And that's very, very accurate indeed. The function at the front, the angle in the front is very, very accurate. Moving the other way, very, very accurate. Still working perfectly after 12 years. If I want to make a smaller angle, I've just got this one to lock off at the front. I've got another one I can lock off at the front there, and then that's locked off at 1 or 2 degrees, or you can make 1 or 2 degree adjustments. The scale on the side here is actually large enough that you can do half a degree or third of a degree, quarter of a degree. You can see it with your eye, you can eye it in, so it's pretty accurate. We have a sliding lock at the front, so if you want to lock it in position at the front and then lock it at the back, and then that's ready to go. So like I say, I've used this machine on the site for around about 12 years, and I think it's an excellent piece of kit. The weight of it is around about just short of 25 kg, so it's a little bit weighty to lift up and down stairs, but it's not the end of the world. And if you want to do a really, really great job, this is absolutely the tool to do the job. So thanks for watching. It's New Year now, so Happy New Year and all the best.